珠的心理太奇妙。
People are super stoked. It's like the 70s. Feels like they've never seen skateboarding before.
It really reminded me of when longboarding was growing to become what it is now.
I don't think I've ever met a more respectful culture.
All the people are super fun to interact with. They're all super stoked to have us.
People are amazing. Everybody's super hype about us being here.
I never thought that I will do something like this, but if it makes people happy, it makes me happy too.
Climbing the Great Wall. And the best part about what we did is we went somewhere that not many tourists, let alone people, get to go and climb the Great Wall, and we had it all to ourselves. So that's something that I think was very special.
I have been in a place with such a big energy.
I really appreciate being such a beautiful place.
It's always been a dream of mine since I was really young to visit the Great Wall of China, much less skateboard on it.
Highlight for me is the food. Having so many options to choose from and always way too much.
Food's been really interesting. It's different.
But food here is amazing. It's just like kind of weird because we're not as a Western we're not really used to, but it's super amazing and everything tastes different. Today we ate scorpions. Scorpions were pretty good.
Scorpion was cool.
It was a little bit creepy in the beginning, but after it was like really tasty.
Scorpions. Yeah, I like scorpions.
Specifically, people need to come here to experience the history and the culture.
People were staring at me, but not in a bad mood. I don't know how many pictures I took with random people in the street. That was pretty awesome.
The Beijing is very beautiful city. In Beijing are so many different places. The places are so beautiful and I really like to skate in Beijing.
I think is the traffic. It can be dangerous, but for now I didn't have that experience with the cars.
I like to skate with buses, cars. I feel a little dangerous, but it's adrenaline and it's really cool.
Slide Jam Hill was fun.
Slide Jam was fantastic. It was a really unique location.
Ladies and gentlemen, check it out, y'all. Back by popular demand. Check it out, y'all. Are they crazy? Once again. Check it out, y'all. Automator on the fader. Check it out, y'all. Just listen to this. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Check it out.
coming in hot.
China's been incredible. This place is amazing.
I'm definitely coming back here.
I'm coming back for sure as soon as possible.
Definitely gonna be coming back to China.
Oh yeah, for sure. I would like to come back really quickly.
I don't want to go home.
Yeah, come to China. Come to China. Join us. Skate here. Gotta come to China. Do it. Get your ass out here. Come skate. Come visit this place.
Suits and coats are beautiful, and the values unusually good.
Check it out, Georgia.